Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with my UNIWIG. Okay, so this is how the package is looking. Let's go ahead and get into it. So we did get a few goodies. I got 2 clips and edge brush and comb. I also got a pair of HD wig caps. All right, and that's it for all the goodies I received. Now let me get into it. Before we get into the wig, this is the kind of lace we're working with today. We are working with a genuine Swiss lace 360 wig today. I'm gonna get into the wig in a few, but I wanted to show you guys the quality of the lace. You see how it's so undetectable before I even applied the adhesive to it. Once I applied that adhesive, it's so hard to see the knots on this lace. It melts down so nicely. It is super top tier. So this is what we're working with today. Now that I've showed you guys the lace and you see how beautiful that is and undetectable, let's get into the wig. All right, so for today's wig, we are working with a 360 skin melt Swiss lace invisible strap super hairline wig for high bun, and it's a loose wave texture that we have, right? Also, this is at 180% density and it is a medium cap. The front already come pre-plucked. As I say, it's a 360, so that lace goes right around the perimeter. It's also an invisible strap in the back, as you can see right here. So that's what it comes off way more natural looking, as opposed to a regular strap where, you know, you probably put it up in a bun and then it might be exposed with the strap. It's invisible, so it's hard to kind of tell. Now this is how the inside looks. It has a total of 4 combs, and with the adjustable strap portion, you can see that little thing there that's used to adjust it. There's also an adjustable elastic band on the inside, and the lace is already bleached. All right, look at that. This hair, by the way, is so soft. It's so soft. I love how beautifully they customized the wig before. Look at those waves, man. That is so gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. So this is the back. So what I'm going to do before I even proceed to applying the wig, I'm going to remove that lace, the extra lace in the back, so we don't have to worry about that. So I usually use the ear portion right there, where that line is, to kind of mark where to cut off, start cutting off the lace for the back portion. And then I just proceed. All right, and you just want to take your time to do this. Now let me go ahead and tell you a little bit more about my UNIWIG. So they have their own wig factory with over 50 years of experience. Many wig companies don't have their own factories, which can lead them to sell products sourced from different factories, resulting in inconsistent quality and many uncontrollable factors. Previously, they have collaborated with wig companies and salons in Europe and the United States and have been well received. They have many long-term partners, and through these relationships, they have made many friends in the industry. By communicating with these friends, they have gained insights into customers' needs, allowing them to provide better products. I love that. I love that. So again, I was just showing you guys how you can adjust the strap in the back here. It's pretty straightforward, very to the point, you know, it's very easy to follow. So just follow that whenever you're going to, you know, install this kind of wig. So I'm just gonna proceed to installation. All right, so did I tell you guys this wig is also 18 inches long? Yes, it is. And I feel like for 180% for the density, this is a pretty full looking wig. It looks like 200%. Tell the truth, it looks like 200%. You're not seeing through the hair, you know, it doesn't look limp. It's full of life. Yeah, I absolutely love it. And it's also a medium cap. I think I told you guys that. So I'm gonna proceed to cutting away the excess on the ear portion. Yeah, and I didn't do any baby hairs or any, you know, soups. I wanted to keep the hairline very natural looking and pull back, also to show off the lace a little bit more to you guys, how nicely melted it can get and very undetectable. All right. Sometimes it can confuse a 360 with a regular lace front wig. Literally, as you saw, the lace continued around the perimeter, like consistently. With a regular lace front, it only stops, it goes from ear to ear. It's not a continuation of the lace right around the perimeter of the wig. So that is something to note. And I think, you know, if you're new to the wig world, you know, it can be a little confusing sometimes, but yes, that's how it works. I love how snug this wig is. Once I go ahead and, you know, apply it to my head right here, I was actually using a spray adhesive. I didn't use any glue, and I was just holding it down in place because this adhesive dries pretty fast. So it was very easy to work with. Very, very easy. Look at me getting all up close in the camera. Like, look at that. It looks so good. The knots on this type of lace is so minimal. It's so discreet. I absolutely love it. And that's the reason why I always say, like, I feel like the Swiss laces are perfect for like that very special occasion. If you want to wear a wig and you want everything to look very undetectable, I will always recommend a Swiss lace. Like, imagine you're getting married. You know, say when you're doing your wedding, you want to look super top tier. You want the best of the best. I would always recommend something like a Swiss lace. It cannot go wrong. Just be gentle when using this lace because remember, it's thinner than the rest, hence why it looks so natural and undetectable. You know, it's self-explanatory. But look at that hairline as well. It has this subtle like M shape to it that makes the whole vibe even more natural looking. So once I was done with installation, I was just showing you guys how I'm adjusting it on my head in the back with the Invisi straps. So once I'm done adjusting that, I just kind of tuck away the excessive string in the back. All right, and it's very easy. I then proceed to putting it in a high bun because we want to show off the 360ness, right? You want to show off that, okay, I'm wearing a 360 wig. So I was just putting it in a bun right here. I just wanted that messy vibe because, you know, that's all I ever do because I just feel like a messy vibe just looks way more, you know, effortless and natural. And there is a bit of baby hair in the back, so I love that too. And I was feeling the wig, like you could tell I was feeling it. 10 out of 10 for sure. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Feels good. I was just adjusting it more in the back, and I'm gonna turn around in a bit so you guys can see, because what's the point? I'm gonna do this and not show you the back, right? So yeah, let's get into it. Beautiful, beautiful. MyUniwig, look at that. Yeah, so the Invisi strap is super discreet. You cannot tell that there's a strap around there that easily, so that's why everything comes off more natural. So yeah man, I definitely would recommend this type of wig if you're looking for that ultimate natural 360 wig vibe. MyUniwig's got it, know what they're doing. I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig down below in my description box, so please go ahead and check it out. All the specifications are listed as well. That's it for today's wig look. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye. Got me dreaming, dreaming in